This time, I want to share 3 subtle weaknesses of women that most men overlook, but that can have an amazing impact. Mastering these can make a woman feel comfortable around you, draw her closer, and even make her feel deeply connected to you. Not only that, these 3 weaknesses can even make a woman who initially isn't interested in you suddenly start feeling different. This trick works great for anyone in the early stages of dating a girl. And if you lack confidence when approaching women, whether because you don't think you're attractive or financially well off, don't worry. Those issues can fade away once you understand these 3 key weaknesses of women. 1. Be someone she respects. A man who is respected by others is a universal weakness for any woman. Think about it. No woman would turn down a guy admired by others. In fact, she'd feel proud to have him as a partner. Remember back in school, how the class leaders were often the ones all the girls looked up to? You can be that kind of guy today without needing a high-ranking title or a lot of influence. It starts with yourself. Build a character that commands respect. One simple way is to make sure your actions match your words. Anything you say should have proof behind it, not just empty talk. Speak the truth, keep your promises, and above all, respect others. After all, how can you expect to be respected if you don't show respect in return? 2. Develop a unique skill. This one's everywhere. Ever seen an average-looking guy with no big money still attract beautiful women, even multiple? That's because these guys excel in a certain skill or have talents others lack, like being great at music or sports. Even without looks or money, a guy who's talented in music, for instance, is often in high demand with women. Use this to your advantage. Women are particularly attracted to men who are skilled or talented in a specific area. To them, a guy with talent looks both masculine and attractive. So ask yourself, what's something you love to do that doesn't feel like a burden? Once you know, commit to putting in the time and effort to master it. Learn it. Master it. Become the best at it if possible. 3. Be a popular guy. Did you know? Women are naturally drawn to popular guys, even if they aren't traditionally attractive or wealthy. That's because women are competitive by nature. They want the best, including when it comes to partners. So, it's no surprise that women often pursue the most popular guy in their social circle. If you're not a guy who's widely respected or highly skilled as mentioned before, don't worry, there's still one more card to play. Women can't resist a popular guy. By popular, I mean someone who's a great communicator, easy to get along with, and enjoyable to talk to. Even if you're introverted or not much of a talker, you can still be an interesting, approachable guy by mastering the art of active listening. Just listen, stay attentive, show empathy, and respond thoughtfully. Plus, you can gain popularity by creating something people enjoy and benefit from, like starting a YouTube channel to entertain or help others with their challenges. Alright bro, that's it for this video. Hope you found it helpful and beneficial.